Hello and welcome back. Today will be day 9 of the 21-day cleaning challenge. To give a little bit of a recap, I am dressed for the day. My bed is made. Dozer still thinks this is his bed, so he always messes up the made bed. I've got a load of laundry here already done. I just need to put it up. That's going to be my next task after I record this. The bathroom I have already cleaned or wiped down my counters as I was getting ready this morning. And I'll go ahead and give you a before. I know we talked about this bathroom getting remodeled. So here's a before. I don't do too much with this bathroom currently because it's going to be getting redone. So yeah, this bathtub's coming out. We're gonna have a standalone bathtub put into this corner. It's gonna be caddy corner, so that's gonna give us some open floor space here. The walls are gonna be painted. The trim will be white instead of brown. The floors will be completely redone. Brand new vanity. Completely different mirror. Currently we have a medicine cabinet type thing here, but that's going to be taken down. Instead, I'm going to have a cabinet put in here, a skinny cabinet for our towels and things to go in. And then I am going to have a cabinet like this, a different style, but I'm going to put it over here on this wall instead. Remember, that's going to be just empty open floor space, so we'll be able to walk over to that area. Yes, there's boards on our windows. My husband has been working some nights occasionally, so this is his way of keeping all the light out. But I'm going to put some curtains up. Getting rid of these shelvings as well. I don't know what I'm going to do with this wall yet. I wanted to put some shelving up, but we'll see what goes there. What else? I feel like there's a lot more. And Lily's in here to say hello. Hi, Lily. Oh, the shower is going to be tiled floor to ceiling. And I'm going to get a totally different shower curtain instead of a door. I think that's it for now. I haven't picked out specific decor yet, so that'll be fun. But yes, I did my swish and swipe this morning. So that task is done for the day. What else? Did my laundry, made my bed, got myself dressed. Swish and swipe the bathroom. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so I'm on the way to the kitchen, and one of our daily habits and routines is to check floors. Already did that, and I have the vacuum going. And I wanted to give an update for this room as well, since I gave you a bathroom update. Turn on some lights. So here's my dining room. Currently, as you can see, it's just storage for some of our flooring, but we're gonna have to get a whole lot more of that. This is the, what is this? What do I call it again? The faucet for the bathtub, the standalone faucet. This has been in here for a year now, so my kids have drawn on the box, but that is my vanity. And I've got the faucets for the vanity here, stuff to go to the flooring, and it's kind of become a hot spot that I need to clean, which I have not done yet. I have not done a hot spot cleaning today. This is reminding me to do that. And I told you before, my dining room table can become a hot spot. I got some random stuff here that needs to get put up. But yeah, this room, once they come in, they're gonna finish the same floors that I have here in the kitchen. So these same exact floors are gonna come through here to my bedroom and in my bathroom. So in that process, this dining room is going to be done as well. I'm going to, for now, keep the same dining room table, but I want to get a piece of furniture to go in this area here on that wall. The table will get, usually when I don't have it like this, it's in the middle of the room, like a dining room would be. And I want to get some things to hang on the wall. I actually think I want a mirror up here, or maybe a set of 2 mirrors. I don't know yet. We'll find out. If I can find something that I have a very specific type of mirror in my head, and if I can find one, I want to get a set of them for that wall there. We've already replaced this chandelier, so that is new, and we actually just replaced this fan too. This fan was just put in this weekend. That was one of my husband's projects he did this weekend. And yeah, that's gonna be a completed space as well. I think we've got about 3 more weeks to go. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen. My kitchen sink is shining and done. And my counters, for the most part, are also clean. And I want to say the girls' bathroom. Oh, I had that picked up because the vacuum cleaner came in here. And oh, there's one thing on the counter. This is a fidget toy that belongs to my children, and a random sponge with a scrunchie on it. No idea which one of my daughters decided to do that. So, and it's gross and wet. So we're gonna go put this away. Okay, so their bathroom now looks really good. There was just that one item, couple items that one of my kids decided to leave. They usually do a really good job of keeping this bathroom clean. In fact, this morning, my oldest, she's picking up on mommy's habits. I think she's becoming OCD. She was in here brushing her teeth, and she said, I heard her say, oh, this bathroom is messy. Let me go ahead and clean it up. So there was like a couple of clothes left on the ground from their baths last night. She put the clothes in the dirty clothes for me. So they actually, yeah, they do a really good job of keeping their bathroom pretty clean. I do come in here and, you know, clean the toilet for them, take out their trash, and just double check it. And I do scrub that bathtub every so often too. So, but yeah, their bathroom looks good. I have the vacuum going, so the floor has been picked up in all the rooms. It's my living room. And Oliver, he's getting so big, aren't ya? You're just getting so big. Hot spots. My counter hot spot. This area normally is a hot spot. It's cleaned. Here's my laundry room. These floors are clean and vacuumed. Now, my vacuum that's going, the robot vacuum, of course we have a baby gate here so that the dog, for 2 reasons, so that the dog doesn't get in, the dog and the baby. So the dog doesn't get into the cat box or eat the cat's food. And also so that the baby doesn't get into the litter box and the cat food. But my laundry room hot spot is cleared as well. And And sometimes this bench can become a hot spot with backpacks and things, but all that's cleared as well. So we're looking really good. Today's let me turn you around here. Today's task and routine, or daily habit and routine we're going to add, is super simple. It's not even anything to do with cleaning again, but it's something that is going to start your day off right. It's called lay out your clothes for tomorrow. And this is something that I mainly do with my children because school mornings can be super hectic and it's hard to get them up and out of bed, plus having to either pick out the clothes for them or make them pick out their clothes. They can be really picky, and sometimes what you pick out for them, they're going to have something to say and say, oh, I don't want to wear that. So what I've started doing is having them pick out their own clothes the night before and have them laid out so that all they have to do is wake up in the morning and get dressed. Do it for yourself as well. It's going to save you a lot of time. So that's one less thing you have to worry about in the morning. Just how we have started doing our dishes and wiping our countertops the night before, so that's one less thing we have to worry about the next day. Lay out your clothes, lay out your outfit the night before, and honestly, that saves us a good 15 minutes. When I used to wake my children up and pick out their clothes for the day, at least 10 minutes of, oh, what should I wear? Looking through their clothes, figuring out which pair of pants they want to wear, giving it to them, and then saying, oh, I don't want to wear those because XYZ is wrong with it. Oh, I don't like that shirt. I wanted to wear this shirt today. 10-15 minutes saved just by you doing it the night before. I wanted to give my husband a shout out here because yesterday he did a lot of my daily tasks and routines for me. He does help out. I think I've mentioned in a previous video, we usually tackle this kitchen together most days, so it's not just me doing these things, and he'll do laundry, especially his own laundry, on Sundays, so we both do a lot of the chores around the house. But yesterday he did a little bit more than normal, so I wanted to give him a shout out. Let's see, what did he do for me yesterday? He did all the dishes. He put them up and washed every dish that was dirty yesterday. He cleaned off my counters and wiped them all off. He folded and put away the towels, made our bed, and vacuumed the floors, or vacuumed the laundry room here. We have to vacuum it separately with a handheld vacuum, and Lily wants to say hi. You're not supposed to be on the counter. No, you're not. But yeah, so I just wanted to give him a little bit of a shout out because husbands can do these things too. This channel is not just for wives. Men, you can do these things too. Help your wives out. They will appreciate you quite a bit. Even if it's just a couple of things, we pay attention and we appreciate you. Thank you. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.